This study came about after a few of us started seeing some patients coming in that had symptoms that appeared to be like marijuana poisoning, but there was something extra. It looked like not only that they were euphoric, like you get with marijuana, but they were also agitated and they were hypertensive, and some of it didn't make sense. And in at least 2 of the cases, when we asked questions, those patients volunteered the information that they had been taking something called spice. And spice is basically one of those synthetic compounds that are derived from marijuana. They are actually chemically produced to show the same kind of activity as marijuana does, but as opposed to THC in marijuana, which is an incomplete blocker of a receptor site, these compounds are complete blockers. So what happens is instead of getting partial effect, which is the euphoria, they also get the additional effects, which is the agitation, hypertension. So it's a little more dangerous than just taking marijuana. We could tell what long-term effect and short-term effect if we knew exactly which chemical compound was included. But because they come packaged, including multiple ingredients, is always very difficult. You have to really look at the patient's behavior and see how they develop. If over a few hours worth of time and observation they're back to baseline, back to normal, we really have no reason to believe that there is any long-term effect. However, we don't know enough. We don't know if 2 years down the line there's going to be some brain damage or it's going to be some other problems that are going to come up, because these substances are pretty new. It is very important for emergency physicians to be familiar with this new trend. These children come in quite different from somebody who is just simply high. They are going to come, as I mentioned, agitated, they're going to be hypertensive, they may have vomiting, and they're a lot sicker. And you need to be able to understand that this is still contributed to the ingestion that they have, and it is something that we still have to learn a lot about.